Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Google Pixel 9. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we need to navigate to the system. It should be right here on the bottom. Then you'll be able to find gestures, and here first option is quickly tap to start actions. Then we can scroll down and assign any action that we want to that gesture. And now to actually use it, in this case it's set to take a screenshot. You need to grab your phone and then on the back tap right here. So the quick tap is detected, but for some unknown reason, it doesn't perform that action. So anyway, let's move to another. And right here we have quickly open the camera. And to do it, you will need to press the power button twice, and it should work from any screen. And here's our camera. It works fine. Then the next one is flip camera to selfie. That means you can switch in and out of a selfie mode in Google Camera by double twisting your hand when you're in the app. So we can go back to the camera, grab your phone, and then twist it. And as you can see, it changes to the front camera. Then next one is tap to check phone, and to check time, notifications and other info you can tap your screen when it's locked. Works fine. Then we have lift to check phone. When activated, you can also lock your screen. Then next time you're gonna pick up your phone, it should wake up without touching any buttons. Then next one is one-handed mode, and when you enable it, you can scroll down your notification bar with one hand. That means it's much more easier to access it when using your phone with one hand. As you can see, right now we have our notification bar in the middle. Then there's the press and hold power button to access our digital assistant. You can also switch to power menu, but you can also call out your power menu when the digital assistant is enabled. But for that you will need to press the power button and volume up button at the same time. So now let's try the assistant function. It works fine. Then we can go for flip to silence, and when you activate it, you can flip your phone screen to the table, and it should enter something like do not disturb mode. And that is all of the gestures available on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.